So this is binary addition, and this is a typical exam question that you might get. It happens to be the AQA 2018 paper, but it could be applicable to many exam boards. So what I've got here is a question. I'm asked to add together three binary numbers, and what I need to do to be able to do this for 2 marks is remember the rules for doing it. So if I start with 0 plus 0 equals 0. In maths, nothing plus nothing is always nothing. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 0 plus 1 equals 1. 1 plus 1 equals 1, 0. And 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 1, 1. So once I remember those 5 rules, I can add together 3 numbers quite easily. So we start with the first column here. So I add together the numbers. I start with the right hand column and work that way, work towards the left. So 1 plus 1 equals 1, 0. So I write a 0 there and I carry the 1. I could put the 1 down there to carry, but I'm going to place mine there. So now I've got 0 plus 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 1 equals 1. So 1 goes in there. Now 1 plus 1 equals 1, 0. So 1 plus 1 plus 0 equals 0 and carry the 1. 0 plus 0 plus 1, as I've carried that 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. Next column, 1 plus 1, 1, 0. Carry the 1 now, so now I'm in a situation where I've got 1 plus 1 plus 1, so that's 1, 1. So I place a 1 in there and carry the 1 across. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry the 1 and just simply drop the 1 down. So there's my answer, just being very, very careful to keep them in the correct columns and not drift out the columns. I should have 8 digits there, which I do. Now, the good thing about this is particularly the AQA exam, I'm not sure about other exam boards, but the biggest number that resulting from adding binary numbers will be 255. There won't ever be an overflow. There won't ever be an extra digit in there. So this was quite straightforward, and that was 2 marks there. As long as you remember the rules, you're okay. And the way to remember is, if I add nothing to nothing, I'm going to get nothing. If I have 1 to 0, I get 1. 0 to 1, I get 1. If I add 1 to 1, I get 2 in maths, and 1, 0 is 2 in decimal. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 in maths, and 1, 1 is 3 in decimal. What I could do if I really wanted to check it, but for 2 marks it's really not worth your time to do this. If you think you've got it right and you've followed the rules, that will be right, but you can work this out. What is that in decimal? It's 117. That is 36. That is 17. Add them all together, it's 170, which is what that number is there. But really, if you think you've got that right and it looks okay and you followed the rules, it's really not worth spending time to do that.